What's up guys? This week we are back with another epoxy frame. This is another thrift store frame that we found. I started out by caulking the edges to make sure that it has a nice seal. I'm sanding off the letters underneath just where I plan on pouring lighter colors. I cut the top off this mixing cup and then caulked around it to use as a barrier for the first pour I'm gonna do. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos like this. I'm pouring the pink and orange resin separate like this in an attempt to get kind of a gradient look. I used the heat gun for a little bit too long right here. You can see how much the resin is smoking as it got a little bit too hot. All of these branches came from a tree that had fallen down this past winter here in Colorado. You can see here all the bubbles that were formed from the resin overheating. I'm going to give that top layer just a quick sand to get rid of those. I somehow managed not to press record on this second pour, but I used a similar technique as the first one. I poured the different shades from opposite ends of the frame, and then I poured more red around the central sun. The last thing that I'm going to do is pour this transparent gold over the top of the sun. The sun just looked really flat compared to the rest of the piece after sanding it. This is definitely a unique looking piece, but I'm still happy with how it turned out. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.